Good evening, everyone. We're doing part 2 of the spooky haunted house. I know it sounds crazy we left it the way we did, but we went 15 minutes. We couldn't go any longer. So Debbie had to make part 2, and here it is. Okay, Debbie, you want to explain what you did and how you did it?
Yes. So I think the video ended off where I was putting the fabric here, and
I'm going to get a little closer for you. You go ahead and keep pointing and talking.
Okay. So I decoupaged it from the back, and so then I put my two pieces together.
I'll turn to the side so they can see.
Yep. And here's my two pieces, and how I put them together was using the popsicle sticks. So unfortunately, I don't know what happened to my video when I was doing it, but it was not there when we went back to look. So it's kind of hard to explain. But anyway, so I took the two pieces together. I just put two popsicle sticks to kind of secure it, and then I just started all along the roof line. And I did each side that way.
Turn it around so they can see the other side.
So the other side is just plain.
And I honestly thought that it was metal until she really got me looking at it, and it's popsicle sticks. I can't even talk. Go ahead and turn it all the way around.
So now I did want to show you, my husband made the door, and I've got it on here, and so we can have it open really wide, or we can have it closed, or a little bit closed. So I like that. And then also because you couldn't do the popsicle sticks underneath here, and so that would have been left open, so I just took a piece of paper and just painted it black, and then I hot glued it in here so you couldn't see in between. So if you can see that there.
Can you see what she's talking about, guys?
So the popsicle sticks start here on the roof line, and so I was able to do that, but when I got here it wasn't going to look right, so I thought I'll just put a piece of black paper, and you can't even really tell. And then I didn't want to close the sides because the way I was going to display it, you weren't going to be able to see the sides anyways. So the other thing I wanted to show you, and I didn't think of this by myself, I found it on YouTube, and I thought, hey, I can do that. So I copied somebody else. So I just want to make that disclaimer. But what I liked about what the girl did is how she incorporated how she hung the lights. So I'm going to pull this out, and these lights came from what's it called?
Dollar Tree?
Dollar Tree. And I just put a little twine. I just looped it around, and I put a little twine just to hold it. So now it's just one little bunch here. And how I have it hanging on the inside, if you can see, there's a little popsicle stick inside there. See it right here?
Yep, we got it.
And so we made like a little holder for it so that it doesn't, fall. And it's perfect. And it just, you just stick it in here.
Okay, turn it up so they can see how it looks when it's all done there. Yeah,
and it just hangs on there, and then voila. Oh, one of them came through. So anyways, and then I just, I had these little bats. If you guys remember, if you've seen the other videos, I have bats on my walls, and here's some of those same bats, and I put them on there.
And she put another one over here in the corner of the building too.
Yeah, so it's just so cute. I mean, I think it was $1 for each face, so I had two sides, a package of popsicle sticks, this mesh stuff was $1, the lights were $1, and then I already had these, so that,
So that'd be $1, 2, 3, 4, $5?
Yeah.
So $5.
And I already have, all the paint and everything. So it was, I'm sorry, the video was really long with the painting. I don't know what I was doing, but.
We're still learning.
Yes, we're learning how to, or I'm learning how to do DIY projects. I keep forgetting to turn it off during the really boring part, so.
And she also needs to learn to talk louder.
Yes.
My voice is so loud naturally. I honestly, this is going to be hard to believe.
I didn't inherit that from my mother.
Honestly, my voice is so loud. I have to really get myself to be quieter when I talk. I know that's hard to believe because a lot of times people say you sound different because I'm purposely making my voice lower and quieter because I'm very, very loud.
So this was a fun project. It took me a little bit of time to get the painting right, but I'm happy with it. I thought it turned out pretty good for the price. So now I know I can do these kinds of things. So now when I go to the Dollar Tree and I see these, pieces of wood, I'm already thinking like, oh, I could do this, I could do this. So that person inspired me to try to do more. So.
And because I've been watching a lot of DIYs too lately, I don't know if you've seen any of those wood burning tools they use.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my gosh, we're going to have to invest, what are they, $15, $20 for a good one. And I think we can have fun because they have a lot of wood at Dollar Tree that we could use a burning tool with and make it look different.
So when you say that, the first thing that comes to my mind is
burning the house down?
Well, yeah, that too. But one of your followers, or you're part of a group with her, Indiana.
Yeah, Indiana Jones.
She's always talking about, I'm gonna burn something down. I'm using Flamo. So every time I think of somebody using some kind of device that has heat, I automatically think of her and burning stuff. So.
Well, I'm thinking of just a tool that burns more conservatively, I hope. I don't know. I've never used anything because I'm not a crafter. But I do watch all her videos too.
Mm-hmm.
As we all know,
She's
I love her.
pretty funny.
Yeah, I watch a lot of stuff that really has nothing to do with my channel because I love the creator and they come up with so many creative ideas. Mm-hmm. They really do. And I even have one creator, I know you're not going to believe this, guys. It's a turtle channel. And I've managed to watch that one, and I love my daughter. Look at that face. She's making fun of me. She can't believe I watched Turtles channel. Yeah, they had a beautiful turtle wedding.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. Please stop talking about it. I don't want to make no more faces on the camera.
Okay, now we're going to let you see where this is going to be in her dining room since we have showed you how it looks finished since part one didn't show you how it ended up. It just showed you part of what it was going to maybe look similar. Now you can see it looks a lot better now that we've got the second part up. Now let's go see where it's going to go. Well, this is where you're going to put it, right, Debbie?
Yep. And you see how I have it at an angle, so you really can't tell that the sides are open. I mean, you have the purple light coming through, but that kind of adds to the spookiness of the area. So I think it looks good there. So I'm going to leave it there.
So I thought it turned out pretty good. And you want to open the door again for them? You can see how nice that little door is?
Yeah.
Creak.
And we should probably put like a little stopper here so we can keep it open. But I just love this mesh that looks like little, oh my gosh, I can't even think. Spider webs.
You want to turn the light out and let them see how spooky it can look?
Okay.
Oh, look how spooky it is now.
And I just love those purple lights. I wish I would have got more. Like everything else I buy at Dollar Tree, I go back and they don't have them anymore.
Oh yeah, if you see something at Dollar Tree, you really love it, you better buy 2 or 3.
Yeah.
Because, well, go ahead and turn the light back on for we're out of the dark. We don't want to get everybody scared. But, yep, I thought it turned out pretty good, guys. What did you think?
Let's see about this ambient light. Let's see what that one does.
It gives a different look. It looks good.
Yeah. Kind of casts a shadow.
If you could have a few tombstones down there instead of the raven and the skull, it would even look spookier.
Yeah.
Next year.
Do a little graveyard next door.
Yeah. Next year we'll have a graveyard next to it and get some Spanish moss and stuff.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. We're
not just going to throw it in the trash. We're going to be reusing and repurposing next year. So you know that me and my daughter my daughter doesn't like me saying this, cheap. We like to repurpose and reuse a lot of things because we put a lot up. As you can tell, we put a lot up. Well, we'll see you in the next video, my awesome friends. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of the Spooky Haunted House.
Bye.
Bye. Hugs and kisses.